Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to fold the sheets. I got this question from you on how to do this. I like to fold them up in a tight little neat package so that they can easily be put away. If you're new here, my name is Rita Slanina. I am an actress and author, and I love to do lifestyle videos like these. Now let's get to it. Grab your sheets, get a nice open space to work on, like I'm using my kitchen island. You can use your kitchen table, any open space, use the floor, it's up to you. And I will be body doubling you throughout this video and do this together with you.
Inspire you, encourage you. You go with all of the rest. Live with you.
So the first thing we're going to start with is the pillowcases. We're going to fold them in half lengthwise, and then we're going to fold them in half 2 more times to put them into a square.
Today I say these vows with you. My vows for life, we say these vows are true. Our vows, I do. For life, we'll make this solid pledge the greatest.
So what you're seeing me do here is put one of the pillowcases inside of the other 2 that I have folded, and I will repeat this step. This is to maintain the square that I am attempting to create, which will begin the package and the sizing that I'm looking to achieve. And don't forget, if I seem to be moving a little bit too fast, that's not my intention, but feel free to pause the video.
True to you, cherish you as long as my best friend build a home. Over all good times and the bad. Today I say these vows with you.
Okay, that's the first stage. So the next stage, you're going to run and grab your fitted sheet, and we're going to start working on that. Oh, whoops. Make sure you get all this stuff out of there. You're going to start with the corners of your fitted sheet, and we're going to pocket them inside of each other. And then we're going to repeat this process a second time, folding it into each other one more time. You're going to ultimately end up with 2 corners, and then we're going to start folding it into itself by thirds. And we're doing it by thirds so that we can line up the largest sheets with the pre-packaged pillowcases we have already folded.
Caress you, comfort you, inspire you, encourage you, laugh with you, cry with you, grow with you.
Feel free to make adjustments on the seam side. You really want this to be as tight as possible to really line up the sizes of your pre-packaged pillows. And now we're going to fold it again and just roll it over. There's no tried and true measurement that I follow there. I just sort of fold it into itself, as you just saw. So now let's grab your top sheet. And the first thing we're going to do is fold that in half. You can fold it in half lengthways or widthwise, it doesn't matter. It's up to you. Fold it in half a second time. After the second fold, you should come up with another sort of oversized rectangle like you did with the fitted sheet. So what I typically do here is I'll just kind of fold it to a more manageable size, but I'm still keeping in mind that I want to put both the fitted sheet that's already been folded around the pillowcases inside of this top sheet. This is going to complete my package. So as you can see here, I'm measuring a little bit how many times I'll be able to fit the top sheet around this little package we've already got going. Again, I want thirds because this is going to help keep it nice and tight. As you can see, I'm really trying to get a nice tight wrap around it. And then we go vertical after we've gotten the edges inside in thirds, and then we roll it for a nice, perfect packaged sheet set that you can now nicely put away and grab for, and everything's in one place.